Hey, it's great to see you. Are you in search of just the right motorcycle travel bag? Well, look no further. In this video, I will compare my two travel bags for your review. So let's ride. In this video, I'm going to compare the Saddlemen BR4200 roller bag and the Sedici T2 Distanza Sissy Bar bag. These two bags may not be in the same class, but they offer different types of uses depending on your trip. Whether you're planning a short trip or a long adventure, I got you covered with the pros and cons of each bag. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First, let's talk about the Saddlemen BR4200 roller bag. This bag is designed to be at home in the widest range of machines and offers the perfect look for cruising the highways. But style is not the only concern. Function is paramount in the design of each luggage item. This bag is the perfect blend of rugged materials that makes it tough, weather resistant, and long lasting. Let's talk about the mounting systems that comes with this bag. Two mounting systems are included: a seat, a harness, or adjustable Sissy Bar strap system. This makes it easy to attach the bag to your motorcycle's seat, luggage rack, or Sissy Bar. No matter what type of motorcycle you have, this bag will fit perfect. The blend of fabric and leather grain materials used in the design of this bag looks great on any type of motorcycle. The internal structure maintains the bag shape even when empty. This means that your bag will always look great no matter how much or how little you have in it. The backrest pad can be adjusted for both the rider and the passenger. This is a great feature for those long rides when you need that extra comfort. The spacious top-loading main compartment is large enough to hold one full face helmet plus other cargo. There is also another large top-loading main compartment, so you have plenty of space to store all your gear. The padded laptop storage compartment and organizer pocket are great for those who need to stay connected while on the road. There are also 5 external pockets, 2 of which can be expanded for added capacity. Plus, internal mesh pockets make it easy to keep everything organized. The rain cover with security tether protects the bag from the elements. You can ride with peace of mind knowing that your gear is safe and dry. The top exterior flap can be adjusted to carry an extra jacket, which is a great feature for those unpredictable weather days. Now, let's talk about one of the best features of this bag. It's a wheeled bag. With its retractable handle, it's easy to tote your things off the bike or even use it for air travel. This is a game changer for those who need to travel with their motorcycle gear. The BR4200 roller bag is constructed with UV, water, and weather resistant 1200 denier saddle tough and leather light vinyl panels. This bag is built to last, no matter what conditions you ride in. Sedici T2 Distanza Sissy Bar bag. I'm excited to review the Sedici Distanza Sissy Bar bag. As the name suggests, this bag is designed to attach to the Sissy Bar of your motorcycle. So, if you have a Sissy Bar, this could be the perfect bag for you. Let's talk about the construction of this bag. It features 1680 denier Hypercore Plus, durable outer material, and heat-resistant base material that make up this awesome motorcycle travel bag. It's tough and built to last, perfect for any adventure you have in mind. One of the great features of this bag is the twin-zip main compartment, giving you optimal loading space. You'll also find 3 large external zip entry pockets on each side, providing even more storage options. The 2-way variable Sissy Bar straps with hook and loop adjustment make it easy to secure the bag to your motorcycle, while the D-ring fastener with dog clip adjustable straps provide additional securing options. Inside the bag, you'll find useful mesh pockets for segregating your contents and hinged mesh lid support that make packing a breeze. The bag is also padded and reinforced on the sides and internals to keep your belongings safe and secure. For added safety, the bag features reflective piping on the sides and reflector light material with subtle reflective detail. You'll also appreciate the molded zip pullers with rib detail for improved grip. And if you're caught in a rainstorm, the bag comes with a rain cover to keep everything dry. Overall, this bag has everything you need to hit the road with confidence. Plus, with its grip stop base material and side-mounted web carry handles, it's comfortable and easy to transport when you're not riding. Question of the day: what bags do you use for your short trips or your long adventures? Comment down below and let us know. Now, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of each bike, and we're going to start with the Saddlemen BR4200. First, let's talk about the pros. This bag has a lot of space, which makes it great for long trips. It also has roller wheels, which makes it easy to transport while you're off the bike. Your multiple mounting options makes it easy to transport either on your seat or your luggage rack. There are also many pockets and YKK zippers with lockable zipper tabs for added security. Plus, it has a laptop storage and hard case office pockets, which is perfect for those who work on the go. This bag is segment hard-sided, so it stays upright even when empty. Another great feature is the multiple D-rings, which which allow you to attach additional gear to the bag. And the lower back pad adds some extra comfort for those long rides. Now, let's talk about the cons. Some riders find the bag too bulky and unwieldy to mount, which can be a hassle. It's also quite big, which also does not make it the best option for shorter trips. The rain cover could be much better. It does not have any seal tapes on the seams, and my bag has gotten wet even with the cover on. Additionally, when the bag is fully packed, it is quite heavy and it can leave an impression on your seat, which may not be ideal for some. The lumbar pad can push you forward, which isn't comfortable at all. This bag has no reflective material whatsoever. Finally, my biggest con is the bag is not easily inserted through the Sissy Bar when fully loaded. The BR4200 from Saddlemen is a great investment for any motorcycle enthusiast. With its blend of style and function, it's the perfect bag for any type of rider. So if you're looking for a high quality bag that can last for years to come, this is definitely one to consider. The Saddlemen BR4200 bag has many great features, including lots of storage, roller wheels, and multiple mounting options. However, it does have some downsides, including being too bulky for some riders and having a less than stellar rain cover. Despite its flaws, it's a great option for those who need a lot of storage and want a durable, long-lasting bag. Now, let's talk about the Sedici Distanza Sissy Bar bag. It's a great bag for those longer, week-long trips, but it has a few drawbacks to consider. First up, let's start with the positives. The Sedici Distanza Sissy Bar bag offers a great fit and it's not too bulky, which is perfect for those who don't want a huge bag weighing them down. The bag also provides multiple mounting options, giving you the flexibility to attach it to your Sissy Bar or luggage rack. It even comes with a rain cover to keep your belongings dry in case of inclement weather. The bag also has 3 handles to assist with transporting from place to place. Additionally, it features a roomy top day storage pocket and 20 liters of storage space, which should be plenty for most riders. The bottom of the bag is protected by an interior styrofoam pad and exterior vinyl panel, which prevents the bag from sliding around on your seat. The interior mesh pocket and removable side mesh hinges are also nice features to have. The hook and loop strap is wide and adjustable, which should help keep the bag stable while you ride. The bag even holds its upright shape, so you don't have to worry about the bag flopping around while you ride. Plus, it has reflective pipe and reflective side panels on the pockets, making it more visible at night. However, there are a few cons to consider. First, the bag may be too small for extended road trips, so if you're planning a cross-country adventure, this may not be the bag for you. There's no practical way to carry the bag from place to place either, which is a shame. Although you may use a shoulder strap, when fully loaded, it can become very uncomfortable to carry. The zippers have cord straps and plastic tabs and are not lockable, and this could be a deal breaker for some. The rain cover, although it's made of good material, is not perfect and it doesn't last in an extended period of time in the rain. So you may need to find alternative ways to keep your belongings dry. Finally, there's no padded pocket for a tablet or laptop, which may be a drawback for those who like to travel with their electronics. The Sedici Distanza bag is a great investment for any rider who needs a little extra storage space. With its durable construction and multiple pockets, it's a perfect bag for any type of rider. Overall, the Sedici Distanza Sissy Bar bag is a great option for those who need a tail bag for those week-long trips. Its multiple mounting options, rain cover, and reflective piping are great features to have. Its multiple mounting options, the anti-skid bottom, and reflective details are great features to have. However, its lack of lockable zippers and small size may make it less appealing for some riders. Nonetheless, it's a well-made bag and worth considering. Unfortunately, the Sedici Distanza Sissy Bar bag is no longer in production. However, there are similar bags out there that would fit the bill for the short week-long rides. I left several links in the description section to check out several bags. If you got some value from this video, comment below and let us know. Also, watch this next video on how to pack for a long distance motorcycle trip, and I'll see you there.